almost done with, I say, the most time-consuming part of the process of putting together a raised bed, and that is removing that plastic film, protective film. I must mention that it's to protect your panels, but it is time-consuming. So I suggest get in a comfortable spot and look, turn on some music or something to entertain yourself, because it's kind of tedious and time consuming. But just sit back and once you get the hang of it, it actually comes out pretty easy. Start at the edges. Start from the edge and work your way in. Like I said, this is going to be one of the hardest parts of the whole process, is sitting here and peeling off the film. And that's not even hard. It's just, like I said, time consuming. There you go. It literally comes right off. But it serves to protect your panels. There you go. And we're done. These are the corners or the curves. The one that I'm putting together is the L shape. This is an L-shaped raised bed. Okay. This is the one. When you get your guide, it has all the different beds in here. So this one book covers all the beds. This is the L-shaped one that I'm putting together. Okay? So it's just that one configuration. All right? Everything comes with it. All the panels, your bracing rod, the edging that goes around the top, your hardware, the tool that you'll use to screw in the bolts, and you'll need your own Phillips screwdriver. Okay? And then this little corner piece, this goes directly in the corner in the front of the bed. Okay? So after I finish removing the film, then I can start putting the pieces together. And it's as simple as that. So let me finish up, and then I'll get started assembling the bed. Okay? I am done.
What?
Hi, Josh. Say hi, Josh.
Hi, Josh.
I'm finished. Ah, I picked a really nice day to do it. It's extremely windy, so it kept me comfortable. It's not a warm day. It's not a hot day. It's comfortable. It feels like spring. And this is what, February 15th.
Yeah.
It didn't take long to put together, but it did take much longer than the other raised bed because the other raised bed is much smaller than this one. This is another L-shaped raised bed. Thank you to my husband. He loves the raised beds. He likes the look of them. So that's why he wanted to make sure that I had, look, the wind is blowing the camera. That's what he wanted to make sure that I had another one. He really likes the look of it. This is also in the Reseda green. I like that color. The next one might be the night blue. It's a pretty blue color. And I think that would really add a difference to the color palette that's in the garden. Okay? So I'm going to finish tightening the screws. We're all done putting it together. And now I'm going to put the trim around the edge, which is nothing. It's very simple. But this one did take longer to put together than the smaller bed. Okay, that makes sense, right? But I love it. So I have my second L-shaped raised bed, you guys. So I'm pretty tired. I'm going to take my break now, but I am going to put the trim on, which is fairly easy. I'm going to go ahead and do that now, but it's a done deal. My second L-shaped raised bed by Vegega. All right.